What's up, guys? Remember, this is not stock market advice. This is just me looking at stocks. So, hey, I'm looking at Intel. I'm thinking about Intel. I've always loved Intel, but now I've been starting to buy Intel. This is part of my daily recurring investments. It's at $6 a day, which is big time money for a guy like me. I have, I don't know, 50 of them going at this time, but this is kind of like one of those things. Intel has been going down. Like, if you look at the last year, let's take a look at the last year. Intel's down 55%. And I watch it go down, and I was like, oh, I'm not catching a falling knife. But then it came to a point where it's like, okay, now it's just too dang low. Like, I got to get back on. What's the worst that can happen when you're buying it for $20 a share? You know what I mean? So I ended up getting into it. It didn't start off with just $6. I think I put like $100, and then it's just been recurring. But that's how I typically invest. Like, I'll see something I want, I'll do a little bit, and then I'll recurring investment, dollar cost average type thing. So, Intel designs and manufactures advanced microprocessors and chips that power everything from personal computers to data centers, cloud computing, and AI technologies. But of course, they've fallen off recently. They used to be the powerhouse. Back in the day, Intel was the powerhouse, but they've had a lot of processor problems, and a lot of people are, I'm actually using one of their processors right now to make this video, and I've had a lot of problems with it. And I bought it, and I was like, I still like Intel. People are full of crap. Well, I'm suffering. I bought an Alienware Intel i7 something. I don't even remember, but yeah, it's not great. Honestly, my last computer is better than this computer. I might actually unhook this and plug in another one, sell this one off, then buy something else. I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyways, guys, I'm looking at Intel. I'm thinking, okay, how long do I want I'm going to dollar cost average for a long time, of course. But Intel is just at this price. Like, do I want to? I might put a big chunk in there, like maybe a couple $100. That's a big chunk for me. I'm not rich, like I said. But I kind of make my own portfolio. I've always, studied mutual funds. A lot of mutual funds that I've seen, a lot of funds in general, they'll start like 10 of them, and whichever ones are the highest performing, they'll keep those and get rid of the rest. So I'm in mutual funds. Don't get me wrong, I'm in tons of funds, but I like to make my own, if that makes any sense. I don't know. Maybe you guys are doing that. Maybe you think it's insane. But either way, that's okay. I don't know. Tell me what you're investing in. Is Intel something you would buy? I mean, I think Intel has a strong industry position. Intel is like one of the largest semiconductor manufacturers in the world with decades of experience and a reputation for innovation. Despite growing competition, Intel remains a cornerstone of the tech industry. Like, it really is. The name is so powerful, so if they can get you a better product, if they can stop making mistakes, Intel could blow up. Like, I mean, let's take a look at Intel over the past 5 years. I mean, we know it's going down, but it was up in like $60 range 5 years ago. So, I mean, if we could, I'm not saying we're going to triple our money, but is there any dividend with this? 2.30% dividend, so not much. The market cap's at 94 billion still, so it's not like it's poor. It's just not making money right now. The price to earnings ratio is negative 5.86. I'm okay with that. I think they have a good future, but we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they go to nothing. I don't know, but I'm willing to take that risk. Same thing with Walgreens, and I'll get into Walgreens in another video. They actually just they were doing really good. They were making me a bunch of money. Then the Department of Justice came in and sued them, and now they're going down again. So you have to believe, like, do you believe that Walgreens can get it together, stop locking up your merchandise, start doing something else? But we'll talk about that in a new video. I love it. I've told you guys I've mentioned before that Walgreens was on my mind to invest, and I have invested in Walgreens. I don't know, I think I'm up on Walgreens right now, but I don't have a ton of it. But anyways, guys, that was Intel I was talking about, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and if you're buying Intel, let me know, guys. Remember, this is not investment advice, because I am not a certified investment person, whatever they're called, stock people. Anyways, bye, guys. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Maybe not all of you. Maybe some of you I hate. You never know. Just kidding. Thanks, and bye.